sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey.
Guys, it just hit me. I actually hate doing voiceover, so I'm just going to explain everything that I've done. So I've drawn my eyebrows lightly. I may have to go in to kind of make it a little darker, a little when I'm done or something. But for now, I think this is okay. I don't want anything to be heavy. We're going with the less is more concept. I put a little bit of foundation, a little bit of concealer, as you guys can see. I just blended my concealer around my eyebrows, which I will also fix eventually. Like as we go, I'm going to fix it a little bit more. For now, we're good. I'm going to put some concealer under my eyes right now. And then I feel like that's pretty much it for the things, and then powder. Oh yeah, just needed to do a little bit of updates. I went in with the foundation, Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 470. As you can see, it is a bit darker for my skin, but it's okay. It's something I can always work with. And then I'm going to go in with the FLORMAR concealer in the shade dark. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this morphe 350M palette. I have definitely abused this palette. I've still not gotten contour. Believe it or not, I actually don't wear makeup every day, so yeah, but I should get one. Anyways, I'm going to use it now to contour my face. As you can see, I have really, wow. Play around with the contour, put it in the right places but loosely, you know. And then I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder here. Now we're going to do a quick eyeshadow look, nothing too crazy, just something, you know, to just sweep on the eyes so it's not, you can definitely leave it like this, but I'm going to go in with something. My makeup is so quick. If it's not 10 to 15 minutes, then forget about it, it's not happening. I'm going to go in with this just to add in just a little bit of warmth, and then I'm going to go in with this to kind of brighten up my inner eye corner. Guys, I have hooded eyes, so I really don't wing my eyeliner, especially if I'm not wearing lashes, which I think, I don't know, when we're done I'll figure it out, I'll decide if I'm not wearing lashes, but I think for the sake of keeping it simple and every new look, I'm going to keep my lashes. So I feel like we're done with the eye look. Now we're just going to dust off everything, and I usually do that going in with a little bit of translucent powder again, just so I don't lift up anything. I also know my lips are dry, I can feel it, but I want it to be drawn down. Usually the time I just go back to fix anything I kind of did fast. So my eyebrows, for instance, I kind of go back just to, you know, see what I can do with that. I wouldn't have to go back, it's just that I have a scar here, so I would need to kind of cover that up again. If not for the scar, all I would have needed to do would have been to go in with my eyebrow mascara. I kind of I don't know what I did to my under eye. I think it's good, right? I think so. We're gonna do my lips. This is the look I went for. I literally just trimmed the scarf. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Can I just say, I've not done a makeup video in ages. I forgot how to do these montages. Like, what am I doing? Alright. Yeah.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so